So yeah, welcome to the part B of the video. Right now, we have downloaded our robots, and they are right there on the download folder. So the next thing we are going to do is to open our MetaTrader 5 platform, launch the MetaTrader 5. Should deactivate. Okay, this is the raw MetaTrader 5 platform without any expert advisor or anything yet. So after you launch your MetaTrader 5 platform, you go to the file menu. It's a file, and then you go to open data folder. Then you go to MQL5 folder. Then go to the expert folder. And here we're going to copy the expert advisors that we downloaded from the GitHub channel in our last video. We're going to copy and paste them right here. So I already have it, but just for the benefits of the viewers, I'm just going to copy from the download folder and head back to the expert advisor. But let me do it again. I said you will go to the file MT5 trading platform, go to file, go to open data folder, and go to MQL5. Then go to experts folder and paste the expert advisors. So after pasting the expert advisors, you will close your MT5 and reopen it. When you close the MT5 platform app, and reopen it, you come to this navigation window, small navigation window right here, just under the market watch. If you don't find this navigation window in your MT, because sometimes they come with different settings, that's not a problem. All you got to do is to go to view and go to the view menu and go search the navigator and click on the navigator to display the navigator right at the left hand corner of your chart, MetaTrader 5 chart. So we have the basic 1 and the basic 2 here. So we're going to launch the basic one. Click on the basic one and then enter your email address, the email with which you registered to with the Fxchat platform. The Fxchat app. Enter the email and then enter the API key that was sent to you. Okay. So, and after entering those details, you click on OK. You could also save it just to allow you to reuse it as many times. You don't have to, the next time you try to log in, you don't have to enter those details anew. You can just head to load and load the existing saved email and a valid API key that you have saved in the first time you logged in. So you can do that, or you can just click on the OK directly. So when you click on OK, here the expert advisor has been launched. This expert advisor allows your MetaTrader 5 platform or application to communicate with the cloud data services to access trading data from the cloud. And just before you do this, please, if you encounter any issue, if for instance it says manipulation detected, or you are not allowed to, if it gives you any issue, any error, if it gives you any error message on this left hand corner, top left hand corner of the app, what you need to do is to head to tools, go to the tool menu of your MetaTrader 5 application, go to option and allow algorithmic trading. Allow algorithmic trading, allow DLL import, and allow web request for listed URL. So then you proceed to the list of URL, to the box that contains the listed URL, and type this URL address that I'm going to spell out right now. HTTPS // render, that is RENDER hyphen fast API hyphen intel dot on render.com and click OK. So I'm going to display that URL again. Please make sure you zoom in or zoom out to visualize it properly. Copy it, or you can just just find a way to copy it. Make sure you watch the video and copy it and include it to the list of URL, because if you don't have it there, your MetaTrader 5 will not be able to communicate to access those and the data stored on this URL. So include it, and yeah, you're good to go. You have successfully launched your trading robot. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to use this robot to make good trades. See you in the next video.